Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Secret to Invest, bringing you back with another freaking YouTube video. And look, man, in this video, man, we are gonna talk about the best dividend stock, in my opinion, guys. My opinion, and I'm gonna be honest, man. It's gonna have to be Texas Roadhouse, of course, in my opinion, for many reasons, man. The metrics of this stock is really freaking good compared to other stocks. And in my opinion, I truly love this stock because this stock right here has paid me the most amount in returns as a dividend stock, and I'm getting paid for holding this stock. So first thing first, the payout ratio is really freaking good. And then also the dividend for this stock grows year over year, 12% or more year over year. Well, every 2 or 3 years, it seems like right here. And guys, the PE ratio for this stock is under $30, which is on my sweet spot. That right there is what truly makes this stock really good, because it's a fast moving stock and its PE ratio is under 30, which is really freaking amazing. And each year over year, the revenue for this stock grows year over year. Look at this constant growth. And don't mind this, guys. You know, many companies got impacted by COVID, which is Texas Roadhouse. And then also the free cash flow is so freaking amazing, man. There's of course some negative cash flow, but that was when I wasn't even born. Like, bro, like I was born in 2000. But look, man, other than that, bro, the cash flow is positive, which is really freaking good. The net income year over year, man. Look at this chart right here, bro. If you were a technical analysis person, bro, you'll just see a straight line going up. And like I said, COVID impacted Texas Roadhouse, so don't mind 2020. And then also the EPS, oh, bro. Like, you cannot beat this stock, bro. This stock right here is legit the best stock. In my opinion, guys, in my opinion, it truly is the best stock. More cash than debt, especially with high interest rate, man. This stock has basically hardly have any debt. $50 million in debt. That's it. Like, bro, hello? Are we not talking about Roadhouse? And then, man, also year over year, bro, their profit margin is growing. Of course, you know, it's a steakhouse restaurant, but from what I heard from the earning calls, year over year, their demand for meats is getting more and more ridiculous. And recently I heard that they are gonna upgrade on Texas Roadhouse prices for food, which is really freaking good. And it's also packed if you ever go to Texas Roadhouse, which is really freaking amazing. But look, guys, I'm gonna show you right now how much this stock has paid me, and I'm gonna show you right here. I only have $1,000 worth of this company, but so far it paid me 28% of this freaking portfolio, man. And bro, I cannot kid you enough, man. This stock is undervalued. Well, not anymore. To me, this stock is already at the highs, because at first when I found out about this stock, it dropped to $80 to $90, and that's where I found out about Texas Roadhouse. But you could start dollar cost averaging Texas Roadhouse, which I advise for people to do. Is less risky and is best for your portfolio. If you're a retail investor like me, I barely make 44K a year, and you know, I try my best to keep up and put money and pay myself first with this portfolio. Every single week, I pay myself at least $300. So, you know, that's pretty good. But look, guys, I'm going to catch y'all later. Take care, and I'll see y'all next time, guys. Peace.